Is Claude your AI model of choice? Not a problem. Let's get you connected to SanctifAI Connect. This method requires you to be subscribed to a paid tier of Claude. First, click Customize, Connectors, this plus button here, and add Custom Connector. For the name, we're going to call it SanctifAI MCP. And we're going to need a remote MCP server URL here, which we're going to get from the SanctifAI website. So head over to the SanctifAI website, click Invite AI under AI Agents, and name your agent. We're going to call it GLaDOS. Generate credentials. Click at the Claude bracket paid tab and copy the URL here. This goes to the remote MCP server URL in your Claude connections. Click Add. And that's it. You should be able to see that SanctifAI MCP is now part of your connectors. Let's verify this. Verify that you're connected to SanctifAI MCP server. And that's it. You're now connected to SanctifAI using Claude.